Welcome back, students. So let's continue the next part of this chapter or the play Mother's Day, written by J.B. Priestley. In the previous module, we have discussed the discussion between son and mother, daughter and mother. It means Doris the daughter and her mother, Cyril the son and his mother. So now the way she spoke, especially the manner or her behavior, that was really shocked both of them, whom son and daughter. So that is why Doris the daughter, she was in tears, almost that she burst into tears. So later on, after this discussion, Mr. George Pearson, that he enters. Who is this George Pearson? Husband of Mrs. Annie Pearson. When he enters that time, and we know his characteristic, that Mr. George Pearson, he is in his 50s, it means 50 years old about. Then proud husband, it means he considers himself as an important one, very important person. And as soon as he enters, that he noticed that Doris, that she was crying, she was in tears. Who? His daughter. And that time he asked to his daughter, what did he ask? Hello, what is this? Can't be anything to cry about? He asked his daughter. That time daughter replied, you will see. You will see why I am crying now or why I am weeping now. Then Doris runs out, it means she left the stage. So he was in surprise. He was surprised. Who? Mr. George. Why did she say that you will see? Then he turned to his wife, Mrs. Annie Pearson, and he asked her, what did she mean? Have you heard? What did she mean? She said that you will see what? That time Mrs. Annie Pearson replied, better you ask her. Then when he noticed, see now, till so far that he had not noticed, or he did not notice that his wife, that she was drinking. When he noticed that Mrs. Annie Pearson, his wife, that she was drinking, that time he gets annoyed to see that his wife was sipping beer. It means he was drinking the stout or the beer. That time he gets annoyed. Who? Mr. George Pearson. And he tells that he does not, and then he became angry. Who? George Pearson. That he asked different questions. Stout, I thought that you do not drink. But Mrs. Annie Pearson replied, yes, I do now, because I want. Then George replied, but I don't like this kind of the behavior. That time Mrs. Annie Pearson replied, so you should now, you should be habitual acquainted with all these things now. So then later on in this discussion in between, George Pearson, that he tells his wife, what did he say or what he told his wife, that he does not, it means sorry to this morning I forgot you to tell. Who said? George Pearson said to his wife, sorry, this morning I forgot to tell you that I don't want any tea now. Who said? Husband said to his wife. George, he thought that the tea is ready, so that is why he said sorry. But, and one more thing that he told to his wife, he said, what did he say? That one more thing, tonight that I am going to the club and I am going to take supper. It means supper means dinner there. So I don't want tea or anything here. Right? I have to go to the club tonight, so for supper, for this and this match. So that is why I do not want anything here. That time Mrs. Annie Pearson replied, okay, all right, and nothing is ready. No tea, because George thought that tea is ready, so that is why he said sorry. But when Annie replied that nothing is ready, tea is not ready, that time once again George gets annoyed. It means he became angry. And Why he became angry? Because his wife has not prepared the tea. Plus, he said that his wife is not bothered about him, about her husband. And then Mrs. Annie Pearson replied, "See now, what kind of the behavior you have? Because you are annoyed, you are angry. Why? Tea is not ready. Actually, the tea you don't want. But the tea is not ready, so that is why you are angry." So then she asked one question to her husband, "Ever tried at the club? Have you ever tried at the club?" Then he asked, "What?" Then she said that it is given here, going up to the bar. Have you ever tried going up to the bar and telling them that you don't want a glass of beer, but you are annoyed because they haven't already poured it out? Try that on them and see what you get. Just like here, you don't want tea, but you are angry. Why? Because the tea is not ready. Have you ever tried at the club? You go there and what do? You tell them or you rebuke them. You scold them. Why? Because they have not poured it out. The thing which you don't want, the beer or that stout you don't want, but that they have not poured it out. So that is why you scold them. You try at the club and you see what happens. Definitely he will be beaten there. The thing which he doesn't want, and he is scolding them, that not ready. So that's why. So then next reference is given. Then Annie rebukes him, scolds him to her husband. It means George Pearson, that he is not respected. She revealed each and everything. Clearly that she told him that you are not respected at the club. Nobody is giving. Because after you, on your back, that they are calling you. What they used to call you? That Pompey, that is given here. Right? Pompey Pearson. On your back at the club. The place where you are going every day, every night, leaving your wife, your children here, not going with the family out for anything, leaving the wife at the home, that you are going alone every day at that place. And what the people they used to call you, after you, on your back, Pompey Pearson, that they used to tease you. That time George, he did not believe, and it is due to your self-important behavior. So that is why that they used to call you. But after that, at that time George denied, they do not call me by this name, which Pompey Pearson, they do not tease me or they scold me, all these things. So then after that time, what happened? Cyril enters. Who is Cyril? His son. Cyril enters, and for the confirmation that he asked Cyril, who George asked, what did he ask? Here Cyril, you have been with me to the club once or twice. Father asked to his son for the confirmation whether that they used to call him Pompey Pearson or not at the club. He asked, you have been with me to the club once or twice. They don't laugh at me and call me Pompey Pearson. Do they? He asked the question. Go on, tell me, do they? Now Cyril, what did he reply? He got confused, embarrassed. Well, yes, Dad, I am afraid they do. It means the son replied, I am afraid they do, that they used to call you Pompey Pearson. Right? So in this way here, this part we have discussed, that when the husband enters, Mr. George Pearson, he noticed daughter, she was in the tears, asked the reason. She said, you will see. He was surprised. Then he noticed his wife, that she was drinking. He tried to scold her, but she replied in a different manner, in a stern way, resolute manner, that she replied, and she scolds him It means her husband, that at club that you are not respected. People used to call you on your back, Pompey Pearson, but he denied. When his son enters, that he confirmed from his son, but son said, yes dad, I doubt they do. It means yes, that they used to call you. So this part that we have discussed here. Now the remaining things we will continue in the next video module. Thank you students.